Master dropshipping in 2025. Start your business in the USA and UK with free tools. Welcome back to Edumation Lab, where we break down digital business and AI so you can crush it online. Today we're diving deep into dropshipping, how it works, why the USA and UK are killer markets for 2025, and the free tools you need to get started today. What is dropshipping? Traditional e-commerce means buying products in bulk, storing them, packaging, and shipping them yourself. Dropshipping flips the script completely. You find products online, list them on your store, and when a customer orders, your supplier handles the rest. They package and ship it directly to the customer. You don't touch the product. This means no inventory stress or shipping nightmares. You only pay the supplier when a customer places an order, reducing your risk. Why dropshipping in the USA and UK? The USA is a massive market with millions of online shoppers and strong buying power. With a population of over 330 million people, the potential customer base is enormous. Americans are known for their consumer culture, often seeking the latest products and trends. This makes the USA a prime target for dropshipping businesses looking to scale quickly. The established e-commerce infrastructure ensures reliable shipping and secure payments. Major logistics companies like UPS, FedEx, and USPS provide robust delivery networks, ensuring packages reach customers promptly. Additionally, the widespread use of credit cards and secure payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe adds a layer of trust and convenience for online shoppers. The UK, though smaller, has consumers willing to spend on quality products. With a population of around 67 million, the UK market is more compact but equally lucrative. British consumers have a strong preference for high-quality and premium products, often valuing craftsmanship and brand reputation. This makes the UK an excellent market for dropshippers offering unique and high-end items. By choosing suppliers with US and UK warehouses, you can offer fast shipping times. This is a significant advantage as it reduces the waiting period for customers, leading to higher satisfaction rates. Fast shipping can also reduce the number of returns and complaints, making your dropshipping business more efficient and profitable. Platforms like Spocket and Zendrop connect dropshippers with high-quality suppliers in these regions. These platforms vet suppliers to ensure they meet high standards, providing you with reliable partners. They also offer tools to manage your inventory, orders, and customer service, making it easier to run your dropshipping business smoothly. Fast shipping is crucial in today's world of instant gratification. Customers expect their orders to arrive quickly, and delays can lead to dissatisfaction and negative reviews. By offering expedited shipping options, you can meet customer expectations and build a loyal customer base. Customers want their stuff fast and are willing to pay a premium for it. This willingness to pay more for quicker delivery can increase your profit margins. By focusing on fast and reliable shipping, you can differentiate your dropshipping business from competitors and attract more customers. Chapter 3. Free Tools You Need, 2025 edition. Let's talk about the free tools to launch your dropshipping business with zero upfront costs. In today's digital age, starting a business doesn't have to break the bank. With the right tools, you can set up, manage, and grow your business efficiently without spending a dime. Shopify offers a free trial to get your store set up. This platform is user-friendly and provides a range of templates to make your store look professional. Even if you're new to e-commerce, Shopify's intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate and customize your store. WooCommerce is a free plugin for WordPress sites. It transforms your WordPress website into a fully functional e-commerce store. With WooCommerce, you can manage products, payments, and shipping all in one place. Plus, there are countless extensions available to enhance your store's functionality. DSers and CJ Dropshipping offer a massive selection of products and automation features. These tools help you find the best products to sell and automate order fulfillment, saving you time and effort. With their extensive catalogs, you can easily source products that fit your niche. Zendrop and Spocket are great for finding US and UK-based suppliers. These platforms connect you with reliable suppliers, ensuring faster shipping times and better product quality. This is crucial for maintaining customer satisfaction and building a reputable brand. Canva helps create stunning logos, ads, and product images for free. With its drag-and-drop interface, even those with no design experience can create professional-looking graphics. Canva offers a wide range of templates and design elements to make your brand stand out. ChatGPT can write compelling product descriptions and engaging emails. This AI tool helps you craft persuasive copy that can boost your sales and improve customer engagement. Whether you need help with marketing emails or product listings, ChatGPT has got you covered. CapCut and InVideo are excellent free options for video editing. These tools allow you to create high-quality videos for your marketing campaigns, social media, and product demonstrations. With their user-friendly interfaces, you can easily edit and enhance your videos to make them more engaging. Pexels and Pixabay provide high-quality, royalty-free stock images. These platforms offer a vast library of images that you can use for your website, social media, and marketing materials. High-quality visuals are essential for capturing your audience's attention and conveying your brand message effectively. AutoDS and Zapier streamline your business and automate tasks. AutoDS helps you manage your dropshipping business by automating product imports, order fulfillment, and price monitoring. Zapier, on the other hand, connects your apps and automates workflows, saving you time on repetitive tasks. Google Analytics tracks your website traffic, sales, and customer behavior. This powerful tool provides insights into how visitors interact with your site, helping you make data-driven decisions to improve your business performance. With Google Analytics, you can monitor key metrics and optimize your marketing strategies. The Facebook Ads library lets you spy on competitors' ads for inspiration. By analyzing your competitors' ad strategies, you can gain valuable insights and improve your own campaigns. This tool helps you stay ahead of the competition and create more effective ads. PayPal Business is a reliable option for accepting payments. It offers secure and convenient payment processing, making it easy for your customers to complete their purchases. With PayPal, you can accept payments from around the world and manage your transactions efficiently. Chapter 4. How to start step by step. Step 1. Choose a niche you're passionate about with decent search volume. This is crucial because your interest in the niche will keep you motivated, and a good search volume ensures there's a market for your products. Spend time researching trends. Using tools like Google Trends or Uber suggest to validate your niche idea. Create your online store with Shopify or WooCommerce. These platforms are user-friendly and offer a range of features to help you get started quickly. Shopify is great for beginners due to its simplicity, while WooCommerce offers more customization options if you're comfortable with WordPress. Choose a professional theme and customize it to reflect your brand. A well-designed website builds trust with your customers. Make sure your theme is mobile-friendly, as a significant portion of online shopping is done on mobile devices. Customize colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand identity. Find winning products using DSers, CJ Dropshipping, Zendrop, or Spocket. These platforms offer a wide range of products and reliable suppliers. Look for products with good reviews and reasonable shipping times to ensure customer satisfaction. Import products to your store with a few clicks. Most dropshipping platforms integrate seamlessly with Shopify and WooCommerce, making it easy to add products to your store. Ensure product descriptions and images are high quality to attract customers. Use Canva to design a memorable logo and create eye-catching product images. A strong visual identity helps your store stand out. Canva offers a range of templates and design tools that are easy to use, even if you're not a graphic designer. Write compelling product descriptions with ChatGPT. Good product descriptions highlight the benefits and features of your products, making them more appealing to potential buyers. Use ChatGPT to generate engaging and informative content that resonates with your audience. Set up email marketing with MailChimp or ConvertKit. Email marketing is a powerful tool for building relationships with your customers and driving repeat sales. Create automated email sequences to welcome new subscribers, promote products, and offer special deals. Promote your store using Facebook, TikTok, and Google Ads. These platforms offer advanced targeting options to reach your ideal customers. Experiment with different ad formats such as video ads on TikTok or carousel ads on Facebook to see what works best for your audience. Experiment with different ad formats and target audiences. Continuously monitor your ad performance and make adjustments as needed. A/B testing can help you determine which ads are most effective, allowing you to optimize your ad spend and maximize your return on investment. Track everything with Google Analytics. Understanding your website traffic and customer behavior is key to making informed decisions. Set up goals and conversion tracking to measure the success of your marketing efforts and identify areas for improvement. Monitor key metrics and optimize your store for profitability. Keep an eye on metrics like conversion rate, average order value, and customer acquisition cost. Use this data to make strategic decisions that enhance your store's performance and profitability. Building a successful business takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn. Stay committed to your goals and be prepared to adapt as you learn more about your market and customers. Surround yourself with a supportive community or mentor to help you navigate challenges. With the right tools and strategy, you can turn your dropshipping dreams into reality. Stay focused, keep learning, and don't be afraid to take risks. Success is within your reach if you remain dedicated and persistent. Chapter 5. Start your dropshipping journey today. Dropshipping in 2025 requires hard work, dedication, and smart marketing. Hit that like button, subscribe to Edumation Lab, and drop a comment if you